So what we're going to do is look at the new FARO Freestyle, which comes in this handy-sized picnic case. The unit itself is designed on several layers. So on the top layer we have the Freestyle with its charging cables and USB devices. We take this layer out. Below that we then have the Microsoft Surface Pro 3 tablet. Again, we take that layer out, and then below that we have the calibration plate, which we can use for calibrating the device as and when we need to. So what we have here is a Microsoft Surface Pro 3 tablet with a unique handhold device on the back. If I place my hand in there, the idea of the tablet is for portability. It also gives power to the Freestyle because the battery all comes from the tablet itself, and we're going to get about 3 hours worth of scanning. We also transfer the data directly back to a micro SD card that lives behind the stand here. So if I turn the unit on and then fire it up and then take the USB cable from the Freestyle and place it in, this will then connect directly to the tablet, which you can hear from the audible sound effects, and then when we start the software, we're ready to start scanning. Now the unit is all connected, we turn on the tablet. What we've got here is a new piece of software called Scene Capture that's pre-installed on the tablet. So if we start that up, it will look for any connected Freestyle devices, and as soon as it recognises one, it will detect the sensors and transfer the calibration file directly onto the tablet, and then as soon as we're ready, we should get a message asking whether we want to calibrate the device or just continue to start scanning. So in this instance, I'm going to continue and start scanning. We've now connected the Freestyle to the tablet, so we'll look at the Freestyle itself. The unit is based on a rigid carbon fibre chassis. At the base of the unit, we have a projector projecting a series of dots onto the surface that we're scanning. These are then tracked through 2 infrared cameras, top left and top right, and it's all being stitched together with a colour camera in the middle. Then, through a process of triangulation, we're picking up the measured surface. We can also light the scene by turning on the LED lights surrounding the camera. If we want to start scanning, we literally point the device at the surface. We have a start-stop button on the back. As we're scanning, we're working to an accuracy of less than 1.5 millimeters at a meter distance, and over volume at 3 meter distance, we're capturing 8 meters cubed. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see that the image is being picked up by the colour camera. So what we're looking to pick up here is a good density of yellow and green calculated points, and then the green crosses are actually telling the camera where we've come from and where we're going to help link the frames together. So we systematically work around the object. The resolution is being picked up by the amount of time and the angle that we work on the subject. So when we're happy that we've picked up enough points, by watching the left-hand side of the screen, where you can see the point cloud being picked up, we press the start-stop button again, and the unit will save the data back onto the micro SD card on the tablet, ready for further processing. So now we've captured the data, we need to transfer it from the tablet onto our laptop. We do that by removing the SD card from behind the stand, and then using the adapter provided, we place that into our laptop. We then move over to FARO Scene Process, and as soon as we insert the micro SD card, the system will automatically transfer the data across. We then need to go through a process of cleaning up the data by running an automatic process to optimize the scans, apply any color smoothing, and remove any stray points. Following this, we can then start to look at various export options to suit our client's choice of CAD system.